Hi, this is Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold, guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Coronavirus Real Estate Market 2020, Correcting the Chaos. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. Currently, we're offering a free free YouTube video. Just tell us the property that you would like. We will go in there. We will video it for you. If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you that property information packet. And also, let's go ahead and just get to this. That might help. Commercial real estate crashes and burns in Los Angeles and worldwide. This is the property market news for Los Angeles, California. Downtown Los Angeles saw a drop of $35,000 in value for the average condo in March as compared to the same month last year. Will things get worse for sellers before they get better? The answer is yes, because things are bad for buyers, namely fear, job loss, and reduced incomes. Inman says that a surge in real estate activity may be coming after the pandemic ends. Well, that headline takes the cake in obviousness. Real estate has gone beyond dead into whatever is worse than dead, perhaps real estate hell. Unfortunately, most of the entire economy is near death as we begin to sort out the mess and attempt to recover from the most extreme form of world panic. A surge in real estate is obviously coming eventually, because it has been all but illegal to do any real estate around Los Angeles, and when you're at zero, any activity is a surge. The fact is that real estate deals are crumbling in Los Angeles and all over the world, and the surge will be initially wiped out as it is occurring while the economy gets worse in many ways. The economy cannot turn off and on like a light switch. It takes a great deal of time to rehire, reactivate, restore, and retune the economy. There's no central economy computer. There are 382 million individuals in the U.S. playing different roles, many of whom just lost their jobs. Most homeowners, companies, and investors plan on spending less money this year and next. The main switch that will be thrown is a light bulb, letting us know that the worst depression in history has just begun. As America opens again, it is opening to a vastly reduced market with vastly reduced opportunities in most regards, because it's currently a shrinking market. Huge vehicles simply cannot stop and turn on a dime, and the U.S. economy is the biggest of the big. That being said, the readers of the LA Loft blog are interested in knowing and thinking about the new opportunities that do exist, as well as the new ways of doing things. Real estate is slow to move in more ways than one. The real estate decisions take 3 months to 2 years to play out, most of them. Real estate must crash for at least another 6 months before any possibility of a rebound can take place. Because of the unusual severity and gravity of the shutdown on an economy that is not designed for such a ruinous course, the economy will have many hiccups and glitches before real estate can have any significant surge. Panic, fear, paralysis, capitulation, defaults, foreclosures, short sales, and downsizing must all come first before real estate can have any meaningful surge. When real estate comes back, it won't be business as usual. Corona panic has hastened the death of the traditional real estate agent in favor of technology-driven teams. Stay-at-home jobs shall be more of the norm for many. Commercial real estate is the most serious in trouble. Commercial real estate deals were down worldwide nearly 43% in March, year over year, according to data from the research firm Preqin. North America was essentially the same, with a 44% drop. Not only are many stores not able to pay their rent this month, part of the demand for stores and offices has permanently evaporated. Commercial real estate investors are going broke, but worse, many have dimming hope of a bright future. With the local MLS multiple listing service physically blocking in-person open house dates while attempting to initiate new virtual tour integration, Los Angeles real estate professionals were hoping for a virtual rescue. Unfortunately, virtual real estate is largely a flop at the moment because the market is down close to zero. Plus, the experience of visiting a property cannot fully be replicated by a virtual tour. The virtual tour does not show the surrounding neighborhood, does not reveal the squeaky floors, odors, or the true natural light or lack thereof. The demand for virtual tours is relatively low right now. In the future, when the real estate market comes back, virtual will have an important role to play, particularly in weeding out unacceptable properties without the need for an in-person visit. As in many industries today, real estate professionals and investors have essentially gone on an extended stay-at-home vacation. Would-be buyers and sellers are waiting it out. The deals that are going through have seen significantly higher concessions by the seller. Sellers are paying more of the buyer's closing costs. Sellers are paying more for repairs, and sellers are reducing prices. For those thinking years into the future, the federal government could decide that it needs to inflate its way out of a $30 trillion hole, which would launch home prices and interest rates. That should say interest rates, not interest rages. Launch interest prices and interest rates into the atmosphere. The growth and adoption of digital blockchain currencies will also contribute to skyrocketing prices as the U.S. dollar follows foreign currencies into the toilet. This is all likely to happen in a few years after prices have finished collapsing first. In the meantime, opportunities lie in downsizing, selling properties that are overburdensome, fixing the mess, helping to bail out those in trouble, and investing in bargains as more and more sellers realize that there will be no miraculous economic recovery, no instant real estate recovery, and that many will need to sell at a lower and lower price. Many are unaware that the cooling process actually began in the tent-littered downtown Los Angeles property market several years ago. As downtown Los Angeles and the nearby loft neighborhoods, real estate peaked in summer of 2018. If it gets cleaned up, downtown could be among the first to rebound, as it was in 2011, 2012. Chances of gold. These are opportunities in the current circumstances. Here's your opportunities. Distance and economize. Those are the two biggest opportunities. So we're talking about all things internet are going to be, they're good to go, along with new cost-saving technologies and any business that is involved in cost saving. They are the key places to put our time and our money today. Any business that we're in needs to be looking at distance and economize, working from home or helping people to do so, moving further apart, economizing, reducing expenses. Get a free list of historic Mills Act lofts. These will help you economize by giving you property tax benefits on amazing historic lofts with tremendous character. And you get paid for living in and helping to maintain these beautiful buildings. You start off with a fantastic tax credit. Most owners report getting 66% off, only paying 1/3 of the property taxes. To get more information on those and get a list of the Mills Act condos for sale, just fill out this short form right here. You can get them for any neighborhood. All right, I hope you found this to be helpful, this article about coronavirus real estate market for the year 2020 and correcting the chaos. And for Los Angeles, real estate will surge after LA cleans up its act. Thanks for joining me. As I mentioned earlier, a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house is available upon request. Also, we will upload a video to YouTube for any property address that you request in downtown Los Angeles. And almost any property in LA, we will get a video, a YouTube video to you. All right. Call 213-880-9910 now. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks again. You take care. Bye-bye.